I'm going to give Merlin a few crunchies, and I'm pouring some of this stuff on it. It's actually probiotics. I give it to some of my cats on a regular basis. Hi, Merlin. Come on, Merly. Merlin likes it a lot. Why don't you come down here, Merlin? Eat it down here. There goes, sweetheart. Usually he eats up on his cat tree, but see that guy's feet? Oh, his feet. Yeah, he's standing up high on that ladder. Smells a little bleachy. Sometimes I just give Merlin probiotics in the bowl by itself. Trying to keep Merlin's weight under control. And he licks it, even if it's just the probiotics. I guess it probably tastes kind of earthy, eh, Merlin? Merlin! Oh, Merwin's mouth. Merwin's mouth. Hi, Merwin.
You got a little bothered when you...
Well, gee.
Not too bad.
Hi, honey. We're painting Merlin's house, right? Did you tell him that's Merlin's house? Will we clean now?
Yeah, this is the worst part. It's just, it's just sanding and...
Hi. Hi.
It's Merlin's painting.
He's listening to you talk about him.
Hi, Merlin.
He looks up at you with such trusting eyes. What a sweet boy.
Hi, Merlin. Merlin.
Merlin. Oh, Merlin. I wonder if he's got his nose on the camera. I probably... Oops. Merlin's saliva is on my camera. Maybe I should clean it off, Merlin.
Yeah, right there.
Well, Merlin asks questions with his eyes. Pretty annoying, eh, Merlin?
You want it open, Merlin? Better? Probably not.
Look at those good-looking arms, Merlin. Legs. So China Cat came up to me and meowed. Made me feel really good, so I gave her some salmon.
Did you eat it?
Yeah. She would have eaten a little more if her brother hadn't been trying to butt in.
Yeah. She's going in on Wednesday. I'll have her do blood. She hasn't been in quite a while. So.
What have you been doing, honey? He looks at you to see that. How have I been doing? He goes, huh? How have I been doing? How's Merlin been doing?
Fine.
Well, you look very, very, very fine to me, Merwin.
Yeah, well, you're getting combed a lot. I don't know what I do with another grass.
I don't know. I saw it laying over there recently. Maybe it fell off.
Well, I was using it on and went someplace and Hi, Merlin, you know where it is?
Merlin, where'd you hide your bush? I think this has gone on a little bit too long, right, Merwin? Boy, I sure do miss that little window and that little adjustable screen. That's just crazy that they got rid of that. You could put the camera down wherever you want it, and you can just swivel the little viewfinder. It just, I don't know what they.
They made them cheaper.
Well, I'd like to pay for the extra difference.
Yeah, well, I'm sure you can probably order one and get one that still has.
Not
that.
At this size.
No, not at that size. Well, how does Richard do one like with Pete? Because he has that one like that one.
Yeah, he's got quite a number of different cameras. So I guess he uses the ones.
Like when he's driving, or like he's on a motorcycle. He must have had it. I don't know. Or he's able
that size camera. He was using a bigger camera. He's wondering what the flea are they doing out there, Merlin? What the flea? We can't even see them. All we can do is hear them. Way on the other side. They're cleaning the stucco. Hey, Merlin, what color do you want the stucco, Merlin? You could make it orange like Merlin. What's so funny about that? Deep purple? Merlin. That would be a good color. Merlin orange.
No, it's pretty close.
What it was?
Very complicated. We got one thing. It's going to be a little. But see, then it's almost. I don't want it to be almost the same color as last year's floor, because the two colors were pretty similar. I was supposed to figure.